What is up, my friends? Let's scoot over, get in the middle. What is up, my friends? It is February the 25th. I have so much to do today, and guys, it is not even the morning time. I wish it was. It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm really just starting to get things done. I pretty much played off the first half of the day. What day? Getting what just watching TV pretty much. Catching up on Queen Sugar, and I still ain't caught up yet. So we got lunch, and I went to Dollar Tree, which I will show you guys a couple of little snippets of that. I'll show you guys what we purchased when I went to Dollar Tree. And yeah, so I'm about to grab my thoughts together because we're doing a little vacation starting tomorrow that I need to pack for. But of course, I need to get the house in order before the maintenance guy came through to fix the water. So yeah, he fixed us the bursted pipe on the side of the house. So that's happened already. So yeah, I'm about to get my thoughts together, then tell you guys what it is I need to do. Give me a minute. So I already actually took down Alana's hair, so I wrote it down as something I had to do today. So I'm gonna check it off just so I can feel a little bit more completed. I need to wash, dry, and style her hair. I'm not doing that until that's probably the last thing I do. And that kind of depicted on what style it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be like a quicker style. I need to unpack my suitcase from when I went to Georgia last week. I hadn't done it. My suitcase has literally been sitting in my closet. The clothes in there are clean. I washed them before we left since I was at my relative's house, my mom and my sister's house. So yeah, I did wash them already, but I have not picked them away. I need to clean out my closet because I did open the suitcase to get a jacket out and I kind of exploded the case. You guys are gonna see it. I need to wash clothes, clean the kitchen, mop and sweep. I need to pack a bag for our little weekend vacation or vacation because yeah, we're going to be in Houston. And if you hadn't already, check out my last video. Our anniversary was last weekend, and with all that crazy weather and stuff going on and our pipes bursting and stuff, we just stayed home and I did like a cute little home DIY date night. It was so cute and it was so good. But yeah, we're about to actually go and have my cousin come over to watch the kids and yeah, go have a good night weekend because it's 2 nights, so a good weekend. I'm babbling, whatever. Let me slow it down. Pack. I need to go grocery shopping and I need to move the storage content on my phone to my hard drive. I may go grocery shopping tomorrow. I want to go to Sam's. It's already 3, like I said. I might do that early in the morning, so let's go. We're gonna start in my closet. All right, it is definitely a bit worse than what I wanted it to be, but yeah, that's my drama. I got some Fashion Nova clothes that I just got in. That was the stuff that was in my suitcase. All of this stuff, actually. And some of this. That's a base suitcase. But I started folding a couple days ago. And I stopped. So, I'm about to get that going right now. So, this is how I like to do it. I'm sorting out. Most of these are sets. Things that need to be hung. Things that need to be put in my drawers. Check this out, guys. Found this at Marshall's. It is so cute. It is a onesie pajama set. It was only $12. It was $12.99. I'm gonna take some cute pictures in this. But anyways, yeah. Things that need to be hung, things that need to be put away. And it's kind of categorized. So yeah, I'm gonna do lamps. guys a life update real quick. I popped the nail off. I didn't mean to flick y'all off, sorry. I popped the nail off while I was cleaning, so I'm gonna fix that before after I do this. So we'll do that. These are press-ons that I put a top coat on, a top shellac coat on. So yeah, I'm gonna pop that one back on in a few. I'll be using this Method squirt and mop in my O-Cedar quick mop to do a quick little floor real quick. I decided not to cold mop the floor because, like I said, we're about to go on a little vacay, and the last time I mopped and I regretted it because I needed to mop again. There's a lot of kids in this house, so yeah, I'm gonna mop after we return, but I'm gonna quick mop real quick just to get the floor cute. Let's do that. I did have to shave this one down a little bit because this one was a thumb nail. My middle fingernail is pretty large, so yeah, I shaved it down a little bit more since it popped off. It's easier to shave it down when it's off. I got this kit from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and it was $4.99. I'm just about to take the glue and re-glue that nail back down. And like I said, I also use my shellac kit just as a top coat to seal like the glittery nails. They were kind of, I'll show you, I have some in here. So they're glittery, but they're like a matte. So the glitter was coming off. You see the thumbnail right here? How this spot right here is missing because that glitter came off. So I did the top coat to seal it all in, and it actually just made it look a little bit more like an actual set of nails rather than press-ons because they were matte. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys what I picked up from the Dollar Tree earlier today. I need to actually use the views right now. So this is actually for the kids. On St. Patrick's Day, I thought it was cute. I really wanted bigger ones, but these were Dollar Tree, so I went ahead and took these. I got these little wristbands, also for St. Patrick's Day. I thought these were cute. This is what I'm about to use right now to repot my little dying plant over there, so we're gonna do that together. I got 2 pots, so I'm gonna try to put them in these and see what it looks like. I'm not sure, they're kind of big, so I don't know if they're gonna fit. I got 2. I bought some candles. I bought some candlesticks last week for our anniversary, but I ended up using the different ones, so I'm gonna use these sooner or later. So yeah, I picked up these, and there's 5 of them in here, I believe. Yeah, 5 unscented. I got some tape, nail brush because I want to clean up under my nails better. So I got this, and I got a little mini one to put in my bag. And I picked up the Unstoppables from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm about to do something with these right now, and you guys are gonna see that. We also got some carpet odor eliminator. I'm about to go spread this on our carpets before I vacuum. Some pipe cleaners. I shared a toddler DIY on my Instagram feed a couple, like maybe a week or 2 ago, and I needed pipe cleaners in order to do it. So we're gonna go fishing next week, me and Ty. And I got a few other Reneweds. I'm cleaning up, so I'm gonna pop a couple of these in the house right when I'm done. And then I got some rocks to layer so that my plants can have a way to drain since these are not ventilated. And that is all I got from Dollar Tree. What else is here is this paint. I picked this paint up from Hobby Lobby. One was 89 cents because I used the coupon, and the other was $1.50. But they're rose gold, and I am going to try to paint the diffuser gold. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we're going to see in just a few, right? Y'all with me? Let's do it. I got my pen. This is a stylus. I edit on my phone, so this is going to make editing life so much easier, and let's pray it's faster. That's how it looks. It has this little flat edge on it. I don't know why, but it makes it easier to edit with that little flat edge. This thing does not have to charge, so this is like solely, like, I don't know, it's just solely a stylus, and it works with every device. Update. Alana wants to wear her hair bunt up, so I'll do that tomorrow. Let her hair air dry and just put it in a bun. Tomorrow morning before she do online class, I have re-cleaned up the kitchen, and I am currently catching up on some more TV shows. I know. I'm watching The Bachelor. So yeah, I'm gonna watch the rest of this episode and then head in the room to back.
They're not into our relationship, so you know.
Okay, so I don't really know exactly what I want to wear for my vacation. Only for sure I'm wearing this dress for dinner, but that's the only like direction I have right now. Okay, you guys, so I am pretty much done with what I think I want to bring tomorrow with me. Oh yeah, I'm packing this little clutch, and it's not adorable, but yeah, I'm being pretty basic and simple or whatever. I think I'm gonna wear, like I said, this green 3-piece on, I gotta check the weather, but it's a tube and some leggings, and then this, you guys will see it if I vlog, which I'm pretty sure I will. This dress you guys have seen in my storyline, and then this is a new dress I got from Fashion Nova that you definitely will see on Instagram. So I think that's what I'm packing. I'm also going to pack some workout attire, but I'm gonna do it in the morning. I am tired, so You know what it is. It's the end of the video. See ya next time. That is right? Probably not. I'm tired. Don't I look tired? See you next time. Peace. That's right.